technology-wise. They can clone sheep. They can make a baby without the mama. We all remember the cell phone. You remember when that motherfucker first came out? That motherfucker was this goddamn big. Came in a suitcase with a shoulder strap. We all remember that. Now that motherfucker is so small that by next year it's just gonna be a chip on a nigga's tongue. You gonna be smoking a cigarette. Hello? No, nigga, I got you on the tongue phone. Hold on, I got another call. Hello? Now, what I'm saying is in 2004, you got to start making decisions that are best for you. Some of y'all just lie entirely too much. In 2004, stop lying to motherfuckers. Some of y'all got bill collectors keep calling all the time. That's because you keep giving them words that make them lie. Like, I'm not ready right yet. My shit ain't come in right now. Just tell that motherfuckers the truth. Don't be mean, don't be nasty, just tell them the truth. Just, hello? Yes, this is he. No, I know. Well, how much is it? Fuck. Okay, your name is Jerry, right? Jerry, are you by a computer where you can get this down? Okay, I am never, ever gonna fucking pay y'all. No, not payments, not installments, I'm not doing shit, Jerry. Don't threaten me, Jerry, I already got bad credit. Y'all should have turned that shit off last month. God bless you too, God bless you too. Start telling motherfuckers the truth. Now, some of y'all just need to go on and smoke weed. Because there's a chemical in weed that's called fuck it. And if you can just get that in your system, it can make your shit better. Some of y'all be crying about bills you can't pay. You just, I don't know what I'm going to do about this light bill. They want the whole thing. They don't want a deposit or nothing. They want the whole, just hit the weed one time and see if it don't change your perception of what's going on in your life. I don't know what I'm going to do about this light bill. Fuck them goddamn lights. I got 12 candles. I've been waiting to burn them motherfuckers. Now see, because it's time to start having fun in your little ragged ass life. It really is. Black people, we don't even dance no more. We used to go to the club and really do our shit. Now we so busy worrying about who they with, what these niggas got on, who they with, why they looking. You need to party with some white people. White people don't give a fuck about nothing. They just come to party. They don't give a shit about the song, the club, the drinks, the beat, nothing. Them motherfuckers are just ready to party. The beat will be right there. They'll dance all around that motherfucker. Niggas been like, you can't dance like that to 50, nigga. Follow you some white people, make up your own shit. Cause we've been doing the backhead bounce for 12 motherfucking years. This is bullshit now. You be in the club, you doing your shit. You look over this nigga doing the same shit. Now you gotta get special with yours. This nigga wanna throw his back out to show you. Go in the club and make up your own shit. Now you need to be very in your head for this. Because some of y'all don't know that haters run in a gang. They're never solitary. So while you're doing your shit, it's gonna be haters on you. Fuck them. Do your shit. Go in the club and make up your own shit. If you can do it for 5.
That is very true. Sometimes in life, you shouldn't focus on what people think about you. Sometimes focus on doing your thing and just living your life, Have your fun, enjoy yourself, Don't really care about what people think or say about you. Live your life, enjoy yourself, and have a lot of fun as much as possible. Make friends with people of different backgrounds, different ethnicities, because the more diverse ideas you get from people of different backgrounds, the more smart and brilliant you become, if I may say. So It's good to have friends of diverse ethnicities and backgrounds.
Seconds, I promise it'll free your entire life. DJ, just play something. I don't give a fuck what it is. Just as soon as you walk in the club, something's gonna be playing. Just walk in.
And when it comes to mobile phones, right, you guys can see the latest iPhone 13. Like next year, the iPhone will go to iPhone 14, and I believe in future phones will be like how Katt Williams talk about, where it will just be on your tongue, you know.
You don't understand what I'm saying. I'm saying you got to have some fun. Now, before I get out, I need to tell you that you need to make sure that all the shit that means something to you means something to you. If you married, hold on to that motherfucker till it ain't no good. How many of y'all got kids? Make some noise if you got kids. That's the most powerful thing in the world. I say this at every show. If you got a crazy ass baby mama nigga, it's a nigga testifying in the back. If you got a crazy ass baby mama, just try and work with her ass if you can. I'm a single father. I done had niggas he was 9 months old, he 8. I'm just here to tell you this ain't no motherfucking joke. This is a goddamn job. Every motherfucking day raising these little ragged ass motherfuckers.
It is, and I appreciate the fact that you, Katt Williams, you really take the initiative and take the time to really raise your kids. It is something that is not easy. I really appreciate the fact that you're able to do that. Kudos and congratulations to you. It's nice to find a man that really puts his time, especially in like raising his kids. It's really, really great, like adopting kids and raising them up. It's really good.
Motherfucker, that's a goddamn job. This nigga, first of all, he wake up at 5:30 every motherfucking morning. He don't give a fuck about weekends, weekdays, what time daddy get home. At 5:30, he's up. Not only is he up before Jesus, he ain't got no job, he ain't got no bill, so not only is he up at an ungodly hour, he is happy than a motherfucker for no apparent reason. At 5:30 every morning, he just, good morning, daddy. Time for some cereal. I done put that nigga to bed at 5:15. At 5:30, he just, good morning, daddy. Time for some cereal. But that's my motherfucking nigga. I don't know about you. I'm a pimp.
It is an awesome thing. It is, I must say, an awesome thing taking care of kids. I think Katt Williams has like 8, is it like 8 or 9 kids like that he's taking care of? So it is really awesome, as I must say. It's really awesome of him. His kids are all gone. He had a video of himself like talking and showing his kids. It's really a great thing to find somebody like that raising his kids. It's really wonderful, I must say. Big kudos to him for that.